In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WordPress and WooCommerce shortcodes. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just diving into its powerful capabilities, learning how to effectively use shortcodes can significantly enhance the functionality and design of your website. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to WordPress.com. This site serves as your one-stop shop for everything you need to build your website. Once you're there, find and click on the Login button. If you already have an account, you simply need to enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you're new, be sure to sign up and set up your account to follow along. Once you're logged in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is your control center, where you can manage site content, settings, and tools. Here, you'll have all the options you need for customizing your WordPress site and incorporating different functionalities. Now, focus on either posts or pages, depending on where you want to implement your shortcode. Click on your chosen section. This area allows you to manage all the posts or pages you've created. Selecting this option will display a list of your content, and you can choose which specific post or page you want to edit. While in the editing view, look for the plus button. This button is your gateway to adding new blocks to your content. By clicking it, you'll open a menu of all the available blocks you can insert into your post or page. It's a vital element for designing and structuring your content. This leads us to the next step, searching for the shortcode block. In the list that appears after clicking the plus button, type shortcode in the search bar. Shortcodes are incredibly versatile in WordPress, allowing you to add complex functionalities without delving into coding. They are snippets of code that WordPress recognizes and uses to add certain features to your site. Once you've located the shortcode block in your search results, click on it. By doing so, you'll insert the block into your post or page. This is where you'll input your specific shortcode. Shortcodes are typically enclosed in square brackets, like this. Shortcode. They might be used for various plugins, such as WooCommerce, which can extend the capabilities of your site and improve its interactivity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to effectively use WordPress shortcodes to enhance your blogging or e-commerce activities on your website. Shortcodes can add dynamic content and streamline processes with ease. Experiment with different shortcodes and see how they can transform your site's functionality. Thanks for watching, and happy coding with WordPress and WooCommerce.